So example number 7, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 85 centimeter. If the ratio of two sides of the parallelogram is 2:3, find the lengths of the sides of a parallelogram. Uh, let the two sides of a parallelogram be 2 into 2x in bracket plus 3x is equal to 10x. Let the two sides of a parallelogram be 2x centimeter and 3x centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 into in bracket 2x plus 3x is equal to 10x. Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. So, by the given condition, 10x is equal to 85. Therefore, x is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Therefore, the sides of a parallelogram are 2 into 8.5 centimeter and 3 into 8.5 centimeter or 17 centimeter and 25.5 centimeter. Next page, next question, example number 8. Looking at the adjacent figure of a parallelogram PQRS in which angle PQR is 80 degree. QS is equal to 12 centimeter. PR is equal to 9 centimeter. Fill in the blanks. So here you have to find out the 5 questions related to this question. So see the figure. Figure is likewise, and here 80 degree given, the PQR, PQRS, this is the P, this is the Q, this is the R, and this is the S. So the PQRS is given already, and angle PQR is equal to 80 degree. This is the 80 degree, and this is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter, and 12 centimeter is QS. This is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. PR is equal to 9 centimeter. Here to there 9 centimeter. So fill in the blank. Angle QPS. Angle QPS is equal to what? Angle PSR. Angle PSR. Angle SRQ. Angle SRQ. PT. PT. ST. C. Angle QPS. Angle QPS. So this is 80 degree. So angle PQS plus angle PQR will be 180 degree complementary. So 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree. QPS is equal to 100 degree. PSR, angle PSR, opposite angles are equal, so this will be the 80 degree. SRQ will be the equal to angle QPS, and this is the 100 degree. We have found out already. PT, where is T? T is the intersection point. Okay. So this is the PT. So now PR is equal to 9 centimeter. So PT will be the half of the PR. So half of the diagonal will be half into 9 centimeter. That is 4.5 centimeter. ST will be the half of the SQ, and this is SQ is equal to 12 centimeter. So half of the 12 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. So according to the question, these are the answers. So ET explanation is also given. QPS is equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR, the interior angle on the same side of a transversal, that is 180 degree minus 80 degree, this is 100 degree. And P angle PSR is equal to angle PQR. The opposite angles of parallelograms are equal and is equal to 80 degree given. Angle SRQ is equal to QPS. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, is equal to 100 degree put in the part A. And PT is equal to half of PR. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is the half of 9 centimeter. That is the 4.5 centimeter. And ST is equal to half of the QS. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So this is the half of the 12 centimeter given, and it is the 6 centimeter. Now exercise 3.3 is there. You have to solve all the question of this book. This is the Arya book depot, and 3.3 in the new edition. I think same question will be there. Otherwise, some question may be different one. But whatever the questions are there in your book, in new one, the Arya book depot, the exercise 3.3, you have to solve all the questions carefully. The next topic will be the properties of rectangles. It is page number 43 in my book. It may be the different one, but topic will be the properties of rectangle.